Now let's solve this problem. 1 plus sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by 1 plus sin A is equal to 2 secant A. To solve this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Solution. First, let me write down the LHS. We know that our LHS is 1 plus sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by 1 plus sin A. To solve this problem, first let's take the LCM of this. What is the LCM? Cos A into 1 plus sin A is the LCM. Cos A into 1 plus sin A is the LCM. Look at this. Here we have cos A, but our LCM is cos A into 1 plus sin A. Therefore, we will multiply it by 1 plus sin A. Then it will become 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A is in the denominator, but our LCM is cos A into 1 plus sin A. So, here we will multiply it by cos A. Therefore, it will become cos A into cos A. Cos A into cos A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. It is present 2 times. Therefore, it will become 1 plus sin A the whole square. 1 plus sin A the whole square plus cos A into cos A. It will become cos square A. Cos square A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now look at this. It is in the form of A plus B the whole square. And we know the formula of A plus B the whole square. What is the formula of A plus B the whole square? Is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now look at this. 1 plus sin A the whole square. 1 plus sin A the whole square. In the place of A, we have 1, and in the place of B, we have sin A. Therefore, it will become A square is 1 square. It's nothing but 1. Plus B square is sin square A. Sin square A. Plus 2 into A is 1. Okay. 1 into B is sin A. Therefore, it will become 1 plus sin square A. 2 ones are 2. 2 into sin A. Okay. That is 1 plus sin A the whole square. I can write it as 1 plus sin square A plus 2 into sin A. So, this 1 plus sin A the whole square, I will replace it as 1 plus sin square A plus 2 into sin A. Okay. 1 plus sin square A plus 2 into sin A plus this cos square A I will write as it is. Cos square A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now look at this. 1 plus 1 plus these two I will write together. Sin square A plus cos square A I will write together. Okay. Sin square A plus cos square A. Then what is left? 2 into sin A plus 2 into sin A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now look at this, sin square A plus cos square A. We will remember one formula. What is that? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay? We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is our trigonometric identity. So, I will write it as 1 as it is plus sin square A plus cos square A. I will replace it as 1. 1 plus 2 into sin A. Okay. Whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 into sin A whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now, let me take 2 common. Okay. I will rub this formula. 2. Let me take common. 2. Then what is left here? 1 plus sin A. Okay. Whole divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now look at this. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, it will get cancelled. What is left? 2 divided by cos A. 2 divided by cos A. We know that 1 by cos A is secant A according to the formula of trigonometry. Okay. Therefore, it will become 2 into 1 by cos A. We know that 2, 1 by cos A, I can write it as secant A. Okay. That is what our RHS. Okay. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.